Hello guys, this is a review from Makartt, and I'll show you certain things that I bought. First, I bought this. It's called Hooked on Love, and it comes in this box is inside this, and the polishes are in there. And I don't know if they have numbers. They don't. They just come in this 6-color gel nail polish set, and I'll put the information down below. But this is the first one. Let me see if I can zoom you in better. Okay. And it looks like that. These colors are beautiful. That one, that's one of my favorites. This is so pretty. The camera's not picking it up, but it's like a darker color. And of course, this is my favorite. And then we have, oh, this one. I'm not really into these two colors, but they're still pretty. They're really beautiful. So yes, they go in this box right here. So if you're looking for them online, like I said, I'll have it in the description box, but that's what the box looks like. Okay. The next thing we have here is called Hooked on... Were they both Hooked on Love? Oh, guess they were. But this is the nail decoration set, and it comes in this little box. I took it out so you guys can see it. And this is what's inside of it. I love these rhinestones. They're beautiful. The colors are just great, and I needed some little hearts that don't bleed, so... And it's Makartt, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't bleed. And it comes with these stickers, but they're actual stickers. They're not water decals. And you get 4 of those in the package with it. Aren't they beautiful? And I love all the different colored lips. They're so pretty. And then these. I always wonder where they got these little leaking lip things. So that's one set. I'll be right back. Okay, and then I bought this Holiday Party Tricks, holiday themed nail sticker decorations. And ever since I tried to do them a while ago, I'm trying to find it. I'd never done, oh my god, I can't get that out. I have never done these before, ever. And, well, I think I have, I'm not for sure. But I used the nail art foil glue, and oh my god, it was amazing. I think I've showed you this before, but I did that one. My first time. Yeah, there's little things down here at the bottom. But, like I said, my first time doing it, it looked great. And you could always put rhinestones up here or something like that. But that's what that looked like. But here, these are the holiday ones, and they're on sale, I think, right now. Like I said, I'll put it down in the description box. I love the little Halloween ones. They're so adorable. I love them. It's so cute for Valentine's Day. And you also get 4th of July down in there. Really cool. And it comes inside this box. And then this is over the top of it. You know, like you slide it in. So I'll get to the next one. Hold on. Okay, so it comes in this box. It's called Nail Foil Art Set. And it comes with 2 nail foil glues. They're gels, of course. And I wanted it because of this right here. Because that's what you use to, and it's got top coat and base coat. And it's when you put these on your nail, I would think, if I just use my finger to rub it on there. But with that little stick thing there, I think it will be easier. And you get these inside the box. I love these right here, these 2, like for Easter. Oh, that'd be pretty. And that one will be pretty for Easter. They would all be pretty for Easter, really. That's just gorgeous. And then you get this one. I love the butterflies. Oh, God, they're so cute. That's what it looks like on the back. So I just thought I would do... Oh, maybe here's another one. Oh, duh, forgot this one. And then this one, duh. But look how pretty. It's just gorgeous. So, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will try to leave everything in the description box. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.